Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Wi-Fi at airport. Connect only to the official airport network and verify the network name with nearby signage or staff. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public hotspots and use a VPN to encrypt your traffic when possible. Keep your device firewall enabled and disable automatic network joining to prevent accidental connections to rogue access points. Start by disabling automatic network joining and turning off file sharing to block unsolicited access. Join the named airport network shown on signs, then complete the captive portal carefully without installing unknown software. Open a browser to confirm the secure padlock on sites and prefer HTTPS connections. If banking or handling sensitive data, activate your VPN and monitor network activity for unfamiliar devices or alerts. Treat airport Wi-Fi as convenient but risky, and prioritize basic protections before using it for important tasks. A reputable VPN encrypts your traffic and hides it from other passengers on the same network. Keep your apps and system updated to reduce exploit risk and postpone large downloads or sensitive file transfers until you are on a trusted network. Always log out of accounts and clear browsing data when finished.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.